To create your basket, you will need paper, preferably something recycled like old notes, newspapers, or paper bags. You'll need scissors, glue or tape to help hold together the basket, and a ruler for cutting the strips into even sizes. Before you start weaving, you will need to cut 12 strips of paper that are approximately 11 inches long and 1 inch wide. With each of your paper strips, you will fold them into even thirds along the width so that the final width of the folded strip is approximately 1/3 of an inch. Once all of your strips have been folded, you can now start the weaving process. And so the first step is to take 2 of those folded strips and to place them across each other in a cross. Now, start adding strips on both sides of the original cross by weaving over and under until you have a 6x6 square. The pattern should be repeating, so if one strip is over another strip, the next strip must be under that strip. Once you have all 12 strips woven together into a square, pull them together tightly. If the paper you're using is a bit slippery and you're having trouble keeping them tight, you can use tape or glue to hold them in place. Now, draw a square on the 6x6 woven section so that the corners of the drawn square fall at the center of the edge of the 6x6 woven square. This drawn square represents the base of your basket. Now, to create the edge of the bottom of your basket, you will need to fold the strips along the drawn line. It is now time to start weaving the sides of your basket. So to start, select one of the edges along the drawn square and weave together a few of the strips, making sure to continue the over and under pattern as you start to build up one side of the basket. After you have a couple of the strips woven together, use a piece of tape or some glue to secure the woven part at the corner. This will help you then build up the other corners to get the rest of the basket going. Once you have completed weaving the starts of the other 3 sides of the drawn square, you can now continue onward to weave the rest of the basket. Now, remember to repeat the over-under pattern until you reach the end of your strips. To finish your basket, you will want to select 2 of the neighboring ends of your strips, and oftentimes it helps to start with the 2 shortest before working around the rest of the edge. With those 2 strips, fold the strip that is on top of the other over so that it lies within the basket. Then fold the other strip over into the inside of the basket as well, and secure those 2 strips together with a piece of tape or glue. Repeat with the other remaining strips, trimming paper if needed, until all of the ends are secured.